Hi and a very good day to all of you. Today we'll be watching a video on a coastal defense structure as an adaptation to the climate change issue. Hope you enjoy this video. Climate change. Have you ever heard about it before? Well, in simple definition, it means the long-term shift of the temperature and weather patterns of our world, which can lead to the sea level rise, storm surge, hurricanes and coastal erosion. But, how did this happen? Well, the history goes like this. Let's roll it. Since the 1800s, the human activities such as the industrialization of oil and gas, deforestation, generation of power plant, fuel burning for transport and vehicles and many other factors, have contributed to the climate crisis. And in the case of the sea level rise, storm surge and coastal erosion, one of the adaptations that can be taken to reduce the risks of those impacts is through the installation of the coastal defense structures along the vulnerable coastline. One quick question is that, what does it mean by coastal defense structure? Is it means you put 1,000 soldiers with the armors to defend our coastline? Just like the Navy police? Nope. Definitively not. Well, in simple terms, the coastal defense structure is defined as soft or hard structures which are located between the land and sea boundaries, used to protect the area against strong tides or waves. And from this, the coastal areas then will be conserved from the natural hazardous events. In our world, there are many types of coastal structures that have been used. For example, for hard structures, we have groins, sea walls, revetments, and breakwaters. And for soft structures, we do have artificial reef creation, beach nourishment, dune regeneration and vegetation planting. And between these two engineering categories, the hard structures are most preferred as they are long-lasting, highly effective in absorbing the breaking waves and have a wide access to the vulnerable areas. In opposite, the soft engineering structures are non-durable, less effective, and need a frequent maintenance activity. However, above all these structures play a very important role in protecting our coastline against the erosion and flooding, as effects of the climate change. And with that, we have to thank them. My take-home message is that, please appreciate what we have around us. In this case, yes, we have to acknowledge that the climate change issue exists, but at the same time, let's just reduce our carbon footprint the best we can.